Okay, very good afternoon all. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to design an adventure game. That is, adventure game is one of the design game. That is, if you are having anything in your mind, like game development, means first you have to write that on the paper, and then you have to develop that as a code so that players who are playing that game have several challenges they have to overcome that, and finally they can able to win that game or they can lose the game. That is what the how to design the game. In that aspect, we are going to teach you what is mean by how to design a game, and what are all the things to be done using Python. That is the main aim. So you have to first listen what I am telling, then only you can able to design your game by your own. So this, for this adventure game, you can take any theme in your mind, but I am going to take this theme. You can see this is a common game across many internets. So I am choosing this game for better ease of concept. So let us assume that we are going to enter a dark forest. Okay, one dark forest we are going to enter, and while entering we are having two paths. One is left hand side and another one is right hand side. Imagine like that. If I take left hand side, then you can find one deer is standing. Then what you have to decide whether to follow the deer or you have to follow your own path. So suppose if I am following the deer, I have to take a right turn here. This deer is running like this. So we have to go along with this deer. So it will take you like this, and you will find a golden treasure, and you can able to go to your home. By taking the treasure, you can go to home. I think you may win the game. Taking a treasure is nothing but winning the game. Instead of following the deer, if you are following straight, you are going by your own way, you can find one waterfall here. So you can think two direction, whether to after taking rest I can go home. Otherwise, further I can travel in the path aside the waterfall. So if you travel along the waterfall path, you can find one cave. Inside that cave, you can find some ancient paintings. After exploring that cave, you can go to your home. So you're not getting the treasure. That is normal adventure. Okay, this path is over. Similarly, if I take right path, there one bear is standing. So on seeing the bear or lion, what you will do? We will run away. Okay, you can run away to home. Home is very distance. You can take once again you can return home. Then you are not doing any adventure, but you are slowly coming back. And if you are turning right, means you can able to see one village. You can go to the village and you can stay safe. And after some time you can go to your home. So only chance is if you follow this deer, you will get the treasure. You are a winner. Remaining all paths will take you to different positions, but you can go home, but without treasure. That is called as you can end the game without any points. That is the aim of this adventure game. So one path, choosing that one path is our luck. If you choose that first path, means if you get a treasure, means you are a winner. Like that, you have to create so many challenges in the game, and you have to design this by using your Python language. So here we are going to design how to design the game. Let us check here. So okay, this is the game for what we have chosen. So we are using the platform Google Colab. You can use Anaconda or anything whichever you want. First, I will play this game, and then I will tell you how to execute the code. So if I run this code, then what happened? Let us check. So the main thing is you need to get connected to the cloud. So it will take some time. After getting, it will ask you the question. You see here, welcome to the adventure game. You find yourself in a dark forest. There are two paths in front of you. Do you want to go either left or right? So the player don't know what is there in the left and what is there in the right. Already I tell you the story so that you can know everything. But if a player is selecting right, then what happen? It tell you walk down the right path, encounter a wild bear. So a bear is standing. So you want to be run back or be friend. So if I want to be friend means what happen? Be friend means what? Slowly you have to come back without disturbing it, so that you can you try, but it is not interesting. So going and following a bear is not interesting. So you have to slowly come back and find another path that leads to the village. You safely reach the village and the adventure ends here. That is no treasure found. So you are a loser. Okay, that's all. Your adventure ends here. Similarly, I can run several times, but one user will be given one chance only. Suppose a user is selecting left, then what happen? It will tell you, do you want to follow a friendly deer? So okay, I am giving follow. Then what you once you learn the story, you can directly go. Otherwise, they don't know what following a deer will take you to some other paths and you will die. Like that also they may think means they will continue give and it will take you to different paths. So if you follow the deer, it leads you to a hidden treasure. So congratulations, you found the treasure and won the game. This is the message. So this is how you have to make the users to play, and who is winning, they can able to claim the coins. In that manner, it is designed. This is very simple game, but don't see it as a game. This is nothing but a concept of nested loops. Okay, how a loop is working, inner, how a loop is working. That is the main concept. So first we are creating one definition, that is starting adventure of. Under that we are printing the messages. What you are all seeing, I am printing here. Welcome to the adventure game. You found yourself in the dark forest. There are two paths in front. Whatever you are writing, first you have to write the story in the sentence. That you have to type here. That's all. Then choice one is equal to input. I am getting input from the users. What is the first input I got? You have to go either left or right. So that is dot lower of means a user can use either uppercase or lowercase. That is his choice. So whatever may be the cases, this Python will treat it as a lowercase. Make it lower and it will be considered. So if a user is giving left means choice one is equal to left, then what you have to do? You have to type there is a deer, and you have to again you have to get the input whether to follow that deer or not. Continue dot lower of same command. If choice 2 is equal to follow, so you can see here, from here you are generating questions and that the answers will be your next loop. That is the main thing. If you give follow means what I have to do, you follow the deer and it takes it to a hidden treasure. If you click continue, else if choice 2 is equal to continue, then what happened? You continue on your own and find a beautiful waterfall. So then choice 3, do you want to rest by the waterfall or keep exploring? Here again you are asking one question. Then what happened? Once again one loop is created. That is, if choice 3 is equal to rest, then what you have to do? You can rest in the waterfall, enjoy the peaceful surrounding, and then you can back to home. The adventure will end. Otherwise, if you give explore, then you keep exploring a cave nearby. Inside that some beautiful paintings are available. After that, you decide that whether to enter the cave or not. Sometimes inside the cave, some dangerous animals will be available that may attack you. That you have to decide. So by adventure means you have to take risk. So if I give the choice for as enter, then you can discover some ancient paintings. After exploring, you can go home. Otherwise, you have to go back. Go back means you can safely return home and adventure ends here. Remaining anything you are giving apart from this situation. What are all the situations here? First choice is either left or right. Apart from that, you type any other thing means it will give you what? Invalid choice. The adventure ends here. It won't allow you to play. It will break down the loop. At any cost, you have to give only two choices. What they are preferring, what we are preferring. So at the choice 4, you need to enter, either enter or go back. Apart from that, if you enter anything, what happen? It will print invalid choice and the adventure ends here and the game will be lost. So here it is only for the left hand side. What happen if the choice is right? Okay, so here L if choice 1 is equal to right. That if is continuing here. So how many nest statements you are making? This F, this if, follow or continue, this if will work. Again, one else if. Based on this condition, another if statement is started. These are all inner loops. And for this main if, else if condition is declared after everything is completed. So else if right side, what happened? A bear is standing. Uh, Next, if choice 2 is equal to run, then what you have to do? You have to run back home fastly and adventure ends here. If it is be friend means it is not likely to be friend with the bear. Instead of that, you can slowly come back and go to the nearby village, take rest and reach your home. Else print invalid choice, same thing only, and you can call off the function start adventure so that your game will start to work. So like that, this is a sample adventure game story. Like that, you have to first plan the route map, what you are going to design. So first, if you want to fight with the soldiers or demons, and you can fight them. After that, one well is there. It will your player will fall inside the well, so that a game will ends up. Otherwise, you can cross the well successfully, and you can go somewhere. Some twists you have to give. So one particular path will take you to the successful path, and another all paths will take you to, yeah, you can reach that point, but without any gifts. So it is imagined that you may be lost the game. Like that, you have to prepare. So this game is not only this is just for playing. This is giving a chance to explore the nested loop, how the loops are created inside several clusters. So far we have seen only some 4 to 5 nested condition: if, else if, else if, else if, and then else, problem over. These are called nested loops, if else if itself repeating several times. And once again, main if is main for main if, that else if condition is starting as a separate loop, so that you can able to create an excellent game and make your friends to play, so that if they are having a real luck, they will get the message, congratulations, you found the treasure and won the game, like that. So in that manner, this experiment is planned. So what is my, and this is not for all. Already I messaged you, this is not for all. Those who are having to explore the experiment in a very advanced level, one step ahead, you can design your own story and show it to me. If it is really attractive and you manage the tasks means, you are ahead, you are already done. So like that, we are planning some exercises for about 10 to 12 exercises like this. So it may have, you can able to get two benefits. One is you can able to design your own game. Also you can able to explore your syllabus in vast, and you can able to get some better idea about nested loops in a real time, how it is useful in designing a game. That is the main theme of this demo. So why I am teaching this in this online mode means this is not for all students. So someone don't know even what is meant by if else if statement. For them, teaching this is totally waste of time. So instead of that, who wants to explore really and want to really want to get excel in Python? So for them, this will be very useful, and you can able to go ahead with real ideas. So those who are having real thirst to learn Python in a different manner, that is in realistic manner, they can follow this. Others, please go with basics. Okay, basic experiments or a number of experiments are there, like Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion, prime numbers, factorials, and palindromes. Like that, many simple experiments are there. You first practice all that experiments and make yourself first well versed in the basics. After that, you can come to this part so that it will be helpful in exploring Python in a well versed manner. Okay, please. If this demo is clear, means in Monday lab, from on Monday lab, you can able to see. You can design your own game and bring it. First, for the first demo sessions, you no need to do anything, just listen what they are telling, and after that you can start your task and show the results, and you can proceed further. Okay, so I am stopping here. So I think it is helpful to you. So create a thing like this. I will share some model demo for you for better practice. After that you can able to explore further. Okay, thank you very much.